awesome coding video. It's mind-blowing and wicked.
First, let's remove the cat. And then let's go to choose a sprite. And then type 1. And then put the magic wand. Now go to choose a sprite and type lightning. To choose a sprite again and get a ghost. Let's go to choose sprite. Let's get a wizard. Let's pick a background now. And let's go get a jungle. Now click the magic wand code here. Let's start the code. Click events and get out the when green flag is clicked. Click over the motion, point in direction 90, change the 90 to 0. Now go to X, change the X to 0, and change the Y to 0. It looks and get a set size. I want to be bigger, so make it 200. Get a say and hold for 2 seconds. To make it say, you have 30 seconds to save the world. Now go with sensing and get a reset timer. Get a forever loop, click in the motion, and get a go to random position. Make the random position mouse pointer. Go to looks and get a say hello. Go to operators and get a blank minus blank. So we're gonna make a countdown to keep track of how much time we have. So put the timer in the last one and change the first one to 30. Go to control and get a if statement. Go to operators and get blank greater than. Make the first one 30. Make the first one timer, this block, and then change the second number to 31. So this is the fact if we ran out of time. Go to looks, get a say for 2 seconds. Change the hello to you weren't able to defeat the wizard. Now control and get a stop all block and put it inside the if statement. We're done with the magic wand code. Real quick. The timer's counting down. That's good. Like stop. And now we can move on to the light code. Go to events and get a when green flag is clicked. Now go to look and get a set size. Change that to 25. Get a hide block. Go to control and get a forever loop. Get a wait block and change it to 0.5. You can get a create clone of myself. So I'll shoot a lightning bolt every half second. Another code. Now that we created the clone, you have to tell the clone what to do. Select the motion category and get a go to random position. Change the random position to magic wand. Now go to looks and get a show block. Now get control, make it 4. Go to looks, show done. Let's get it change size by. Change the size by, make it 25. Did you wait in the control category? Change the 1 to 0.1. Let's go to looks and get a hide block now. So it's gonna hide and it's gonna go to the top again and show. It's gonna flash. Let's test it out. go. Now let's do the ghost code. Go to events and get a when green flag is clicked. Now go to looks and get a hide block. And get a set size 2. Change it to 60. Let's go to control and get a repeat. Let's make it 20 times. We can make a clone of ourselves now by putting the create clone of myself in the repeat 20 times. Just make sure like there's not 1,000 ghosts. Let's get a wait 1 second. Keep it 1. The copy of the ghost every second, but 20 times. Once we mix the copies, we have to tell the computer what to do. So, when we start as a clone, let's go to look, show block. Now that we created a clone of it, we need it to show because we never put a show block over here. Go to control and get a forever loop. Loops again, and the next costume block. Go to control and get a wait 1 second. Change the 1 to 0.1. Let's get an statement. And go to sensing and get a touching. Change the mouse pointer to lightning. Now go to variable to show how many ghosts we've zapped. So now we can write ghost. Now we can get a change ghost by 1. Let's go to looks and get a hide block. So this makes sure after you zap it, it'll disappear. Now the cool part, we gotta make it have a sound after we destroy it. Go to control. Now let's make the code for the ghost to move around. Let's get a when I start as a clone. And we can get a forever block. You can go to motion and get a glide 1 second to random position. Let's test it out. Whenever I zapped it, they're disappearing now with the wizard's code. Now let's go to events and get a when green flag is clicked. Go to control and get a forever loop. We can go and get a wait 1 second. Change the 1 to 0.1. Now go to looks and get a next costume. Now let's get an if statement in the control category. Sensing and get a touching mouse pointer block. Change the mouse pointer to lightning. Now go to variables and let's make a variable. Call it wizard. Now can you change wizard? Now can you change and make wizard? And let's make it -10. Now get it stick. Let's go to operators and get a length less than 50. Make the 50 0. And make the first one. No, now go to variables and get a wizard. And get the wizard. Variable we made. Go to looks and get a say hello for 2 seconds. Change the hello to no. Here, point in direction 0. Make the 90 0. Now let it go to echo to Y. Make both of them 0. And 0. Now let's go to control and get a stop all block. The wizard is only going to scan in one spot, but we want it to move around. So let's go to events and get a when green flag is clicked. Go to look and get a hide. Now motion category and get a point in direction 9. Keep it 9. Go to look and get a seat size. Change the 100 to 70. Okay. Go to variables and get a set goes to 0. Keep it 0. Get a set block again. Change the ghost to wizard and change it to 200. Now we're gonna make sure he doesn't come right away. Just after you zap 15 ghosts. So let's go to control to 15. Now go to looks and get a show block. Get a forever loop in the control section. Now we can get a random position block from the motion category. Keep it random position. Now let's go to control and get a wait 1 second. This is going to make the wizard teleport around the screen.